Barca.
Foul number 27. 27 na magandang laban sa kabila. Number 27, third personal foul. First team foul, number 25.
Ginawang stand. Sulit to, ma'am. Oh, sulit. Maganda to, sulit.
Wala.
Second attempt niya. And Barca rookies. Piadoso.
Ay,
Nice
nakuha
kick.
muna.
Sino na bang lamang?
Nice kick naman pabalik.
Oy, maganda. Ay, sayang.
Grabe naman, puro steal. Delikado yan. Number 17, power move. Idol. Idol with a spin. Masyadong malakas.
Ay,
Kanina bola.
out.
Bola na Team Barca rookies. Grabe naman yung sequence. Substitution, Rem. Substitution. Pasok in.
All.
Paganda, grabe yung sequence na yun. What a sequence. Okay.
Next week pa ako makakadalo sa
Number one. Making the play to number 21. Good defense by Team Ticom. Substitution, Ram. Substitution. Pasok. Substitution.
Jollibee. Jollibee.
Bilis lang, bilis lang. Okay, back to the ball game. To number 27. To number 31. Number 31. Good defense by Team Ticom. Here comes the Team Ticom. Number 28. There's a blocking foul. Foul number 10, Nicolas. That's your third
Pilay labaw.
personal foul. Second team
Labas
foul
ka
for
laban?
Team Barca rookies. Number 17. To number 28. To number 17. To number 11. What a shot. No good. Here comes the Barca rookies. Number 10. He
Grabe,
draws a
Paolo
foul.
eh. Na,
Foul
perminti,
number
kawiran ang kamot niya, no?
Number 17. That's your first personal foul. Second team foul. Oh, sorry. First team foul for Team Ticom. Okay. Piadoso.
Kasi nang
Number
makuha na
21.
best player
To
of the
number
game
10.
interview
Number 10
niya.
for 3.
Magkano?
Kailangan maka-English.
Rebound by number 11. To number 28 of Team Ticom. Number 28. To number 18, Peret. Fix. Flambrad. Nice no-look pass, but steal by Nicolas. He lost the ball. Same ball. 11 seconds. Shot clock, 11 seconds. 11 seconds to shoot. Number 18 fakes. Drives. Number 18. Steal by Duruin. Again. Who got the ball? Same ball. Ticom ball. 9 seconds. Number 17, Rotoni. Rotoni for 3. He draws a foul. 3 shots, 3-point attempt. Number 31.
Sa
Number
motor yung kalabaw.
31. That's your second personal foul, 30 foul for Barca rookies. First attempt, basket, number 17.
Kasi mo na yung short ay. Kung ito yung ginano ka.
Limot man.
Number 17, second attempt. Third attempt. Still no good. 1 out of 3. Rebound by Duruin. Here comes the Barca rookies. Number 10, Nicolas. To number 51, fakes. Number 51, back to Nicolas. Nicolas with a power move.
Bumangga! Giba!
Foul number 26, Perer. Perer, that's your first personal foul. Second team foul for Team Ticom. Same ball. Nicolas again. Nicolas with a spin. Nicolas fakes. Nicolas fade away. 2 points for Nicolas. Beautiful move.